how to translate messages on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Talks. Today I'm going to show you how we can translate on messages on Instagram automatically. First, make sure to open Instagram and log into your account. Now slide into DMs in which you want to send messages in some other language and translate it into English. Here I'm sending a message in French. And after I sent the message, I'm holding the text for a few seconds and a pop-up will arise. There we can see the option of translate. Once I hit the translate option, the text will automatically be translated to English. You can hide or show translation, whatever you prefer. And that's it. That is how you translate messages on Instagram. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more similar tech tips.